Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to go to the home screen and find the app we want to hide. So for example, it would be Spotify, and to hide this app we need to simply hold for a while on this app until this little menu appears, and here we need to simply click on require Face ID, and it will ask us what we want to do exactly, require Face ID or just simply hide and require Face ID. So we need to choose hide and require Face ID, and then the Face ID will just load, and here it will tell us that we are hiding Spotify. It means this app will no longer be visible and we can find it only in settings, and to unhide it we will need a passcode or Face ID. So simply confirm the action by clicking on hide app, and as you can see the app disappeared. It means we successfully hid the app, and basically that is it. That is how we can hide the app on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.